Hello everyone. Today I will show you how you can add cart and list in a Trello board. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So I assume that you already create your Trello board. So in this Trello board, what you want to do is you want to create a list. Let's say I want to do list 1. I would hit add list, and if I want to do list 2, I would hit add list. So basically a cart is like a sub category of a list. So in a list there will be multiple carts. So let's say in list 1 you will have cart 1, and you would do add cart, and if you want to do add cart 2, you're gonna add cart 2, and just like that. This is very helpful because you are able to create multiple cards in the list so that you can every time you finish a task, you can check mark this and mark it as complete. And that is how you can create a list and card in Trello board. Thank you so much.